Hi there everyone, this is Amrit from Acquire, and in this tutorial I'm going to walk you through how to do a video and audio call using the messenger that's placed on the website. So just to jump right into this straight away, I'm going to go ahead and click the messenger here and start a new conversation. I'm going to click transfer so it skips our bot and comes to me straight away. Once I've come here, I'm going to go ahead and answer the chat. So you'll see straight away that we have a voice call button here and we have a video call button here. And you can see we have the same icons placed on the messenger side for the customer. So the customer can create the video / voice call to the agent, or the agent can do a video / voice call to the customer. However, you can remove these icons from the customer side, and that will give the agent the full capability of deciding whether they want to do a video or voice call and escalate the conversation further. So for this tutorial, I'll go ahead and click the video call button on the agent side, and then instantly you'll see that this gives the customer an option to answer as video call or to answer as a voice call. Sometimes they may not want to be on video and maybe they don't have a webcam, they can go ahead and answer the voice call. For this tutorial, I'll go ahead and click answer as video call. And you'll see straight away that the video session has been created. And this is the view from the agent side too. And you can see the two-way video straight away. If, for example, you want to go ahead and do a voice call, it works in the same way. You go ahead and click voice call, and then the customer can answer as voice call. At any point in time, you can escalate from voice to video and so forth. So if I go, for example, and hit the camera button here, it will then turn my camera on. And if the customer clicks the camera button, it will go turn their camera on too. Well, I hope this has given you a really in-depth view and insight into how our video and voice call function works. Please feel free to go and test it yourself with your customers. And now that you know how to do this function, you can watch our other tutorial videos on our website to make sure you get the most out of Acquire.